Hi there! So finally, we have the upcoming Realme P4R with us. Trust me, this is the real deal and not a dumb unit. Of course, due to embargo restrictions, we can't show you everything, but still we can share and show you some of its key aspects which will help you decide if you should buy this phone or not. Let's start with the build and design. So here is the Realme P4R and we have it in lavender glare color, which is more like light purple. It has the shiny yet matte finish, soft to touch and doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. It feels so nice in the hand, just love it. Right here is the 50 megapixel primary sensor. On the top is the noise cancellation microphone. On the side are the volume rockers along with the power standby button. At the bottom is a single downfiring speaker, USB-C port, microphone and a hybrid SIM tray that can house 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card for storage expansion. I've said this before and I'll say it again. It's always better to have that expansion slot just in case you fall short of built-in storage. Alright, let's talk about the battery. So this phone comes with a mammoth 8000 mAh battery which Realme claims should easily last you about 2 to 3 days. Yes, that's something we shall check as we use this for a longer time. Then 45 watt charger is included in the box which charges the phone pretty quickly. Plus, there is also support for reverse charging, so you can charge your earbuds or even another phone if the battery is about to die. So, this is not just a phone, but also a power bank. Cool na? Chalo, let's talk about the camera. So here are some shots taken from the rear 50 megapixel sensor and they look really nice. Well balanced colors with good clarity. Also impressive dynamic range, so you can see the details in the shadows. Here are some taken at 2x, though zoom, they look pretty good. Then here are some taken in low light. If you have steady hands, you're gonna get some really impressive shots from the P4R. Then here is a full HD 30 FPS video recorded handheld. There's no 4K video recording here, even there's no full HD 60 FPS. So keep that in mind, that the quality is pretty decent. Then we also have the film mode, which is like extra wide, perfect if you like that wide aspect ratio. Then we also have this dual view recording support where it uses the rear and front camera to record a video simultaneously. It's an amazing feature to have, especially for vloggers. You can show the background as well as speak using the front camera, kind of proving that you are actually there, which I think is very fun for vloggers. And this is a full HD video. It's really nice. You can also make this half and half where your face is half. You can choose those options. I prefer this bubble thing. It's a really nice feature to have. Then here are some shots taken with the front camera. Captures good detail and it's also quite wide. Even portrait shots get some excellent bokeh. Hi there, so here's a video recording from the front camera of the Realme P4R and this is a full HD 30 FPS video. Sadly there's no 4K video recording, there's no full HD 60 FPS either. But still it's quite stable, it's quite clear. Also as you can see there's too much of harsh light but still it's managing the dynamic range pretty well. Colors look nice, handheld video, quite stable. Also the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of this phone. So you know the drill, due to embargo restrictions that's all we can share right now. But in my initial impressions, I'd say this looks really good. However, pricing will play a very important part, which we shall know on the 10th of June at launch. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, you can drop any questions about the Realme P4R and I'll be happy to share more details with you. See you guys in the next one. Cheers!